Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn about the two important commands used in AutoCAD. Those are explode and join command. The explode command is used to break the compound objects into component objects. For example, when I draw such a rectangle, it is drawn as a compound rectangle. These four component lines are joined together to form a single compound rectangle. As we see, when I click on this selection point, the whole rectangle moves as a compound. For example, when I want to separate this single line from a rectangle, explode command can be used. For that, you need to select the rectangle first and click on this explode command from modify panel, or you can also use the shortcut key, that is X, enter. Now when I click on this line, you can see the line is separated from the rectangle, and I can modify the single line as I want. Now we should also learn about the join command. As we know, these are four different component lines. To form this into a one single compound rectangle, we can use join command. For that, you need to select all the lines and press shortcut key J and select this join command or enter. As you can see, the four component lines are joined together to form a single rectangle. Also, joint command is used to fill the gaps between lines or between objects such as arc, polyline. For example, here I have these two single different lines, and as I see, these two lines are collinear. That is, they lie in the same straight line. To join this collinear line, select those two lines and use the join command. The two lines will be joined to form a compound line. Also, same join command can be used on this arc as it lie on the similar curved path. Select the two arcs and use the join command. So that's all about the join and explode command.